Okay, fine. So now we will go for the labs. So in that, so this is Pleon. I want this. The normal. So I'm showing you how to operate this on Linux. So I want to open that Keel Macrovision 5. So here it is. You also at your desktop open Keel. My screen is visible. Please mention in chat box. Audio is clear. So 38 participants are there. What is about rest? They will get those who are not attending the practical session, they will get less marks. Also unable to get do the practicals at the time of external Viva. So keep in mind that your attendance is very important and it will be taken into account. So this is why. So I'm opening this software Keel because the Linux system doesn't support the Keel. So by using Pleon, Linux, and Wine, I will make it happen. So this is your graphical user interface, and in that you will go for the project, then a new Microvision project. Here you have to put the file name as a lab, MIC lab 1, MIC underscore lab 1. If you find any problem at any time, just stop me. Otherwise, the things are very pretty. If you do a lot of practice, it will be very hands-on to you. So that keep fully focus on what I am doing there. Okay, fine. So I save this. Then next window pop-up will be selection of the device. Now there are n number of microcontroller ICs are there. N number of so which board you have to select. Expectation is that if you are going to do the practical on the hardware, so here there are two different approaches. Means you can do only in the simulation, as well as sometimes you have to implement the system in real time. So that much hardware is necessary. So what we do, just whatever the code that has to be executed, that should be burned into that particular chip. So first you have to observe the hardware board, then on that board, which microcontroller IC, which manufacturer, uh, uh, get the details from that board and select particular IC. Now today we will going to select the IC of the Atmel. So here just type here AT, Atmel Wireless LLC. In that just 80. I want 80 RD2, 89C51 RD2. Just search that. So here it is. So as soon as you select on that particular chip, at the description, now read the description carefully. This description is related to that particular microcontroller IC. Now I am selecting 8089C51RD2. So that IC here it gives compatible high-speed microcontroller up to 8-bit IO ports. It has. Generally, we are studying IC89C51. It has that has only 4 IO ports. So 89C51RD2. Okay, what it will then 3 16-bit timers counters, 256 bytes of random access memory, then 9 interrupt sources for priority levels having. Also integrated power monitor, ISP there. What is the function of the ISP? ISP is nothing but in-system programming. When you are going to burn the code into the IC, that IFC has very important role. Then 64K flash on chip memory, flash memory is there, 64 KB, and 1792 bytes of on chip XRAM. And dual is also supports dual data pointer. Two data pointers are there. Stack pointer indicator, that is the register. 16-bit PCA, pulse width modulation, UART. UART is used for asynchronous communication purpose, and WDT. So here, then we have to click OK. Just wait. This ICS of from microchip. Okay, no problem. So I will click yes here. So that we can that my project has been created. That is Lab 1 Microvision project. Right now, just create one file. In that file, new file. So new document is created. Now this is the space where you can write your code. Either it may be in that is program space. In assembly as well as C. If the code is in assembly, you have to save as the extension .asm, and if the code is in C, you have to save it as a .c extension. Now, for the time being, I will keep one code already typed. You type at your desktop. Some basic code we will take today. Do the steps while I am searching that code. For time being, we will take any code. Got it. Two. So we will take the code or program for the multiplication of two 8-bit numbers. So type this in your that window. Copy from it. This is our file. And close this one so that we will not get confused. One line is that. So this is our intended workspace. Now if you have any doubt, you may put in the chat box so I come to know. So at best here, you type it on your screen. So this code is in assembly. What you are going to do, just first instruction is preprocessor directive, or we can originate the program from memory 000x. Then next is the first instruction in assembly, that is move a comma #2 hex. The meaning of is that is 2 hex data is directly loaded. 2 data is loaded into memory. If that is move a then move b 6, and I will do the multiplication of a and b, and next instruction is mul ab and a. So I have now next thing is next process is that I have to save this file save. At my end here the issue with the software, so we are sorry for the internet application matter, but at your end it will be saved. To save that file, just type that 4 lines. Don't talk or mute your mics. So give any file name. There is a lot of stuff on the desktop. I will remove one by one. Just give any name. Just you may write add and save it as add.asm. Add.asm. I will repeat the procedure, I guess. So that software encountered one problem. Here it shows Windows. Just there is a one query from Tejas Hasabnis. Sir, it shows Windows select device for target. It is shown. Yes, you select at Mel 89C51RD2. Just now I am selecting, just be focus Tejas on that, how I do. Right? So here this hello.c, all this came. Okay, fine. Now it will work. I think that was some that software before that some crashes. So this is another. I have installed another copy. Please mute your mics. Please mute your whatever you want to communicate. You can communicate in the chat box. Create a new project. So you have to give your file name. Before that, you can suppose I am before that locating. Please mute mics. I am unable to. Suppose my document. I create one folder as a new folder. MIC practical. MIC experiment. Somewhere is background noise is there. Please, there are 42 participants. Please don't make noise. Anybody has mic has been muted. Just I will check the. So you have to create.
Hello, Gayatri, please unmute yourself. Mute yourself.
So here I take the file name and just add underscore, the file name I have to add. Actually, it is at ASM file. That's why I have given here exclamation add dot ASM. Save. So here, actually, there is some wrong mistake is that it is not. It will not be ASM here, since it is a project name. So we'll get back here. No device selected. Okay, I will start fresh project as fresh new microvision project. Right. Then here I'm going to create one folder. You can create anywhere in the your location. So suppose I go my computer in that any drive, or suppose I create in my documents, and here I create new where all supporting files getting stored. So here I create the folder MIC projects. No necessity to give the extension here. It is a project name, and give the file. Actually, by default, that the project extension star.micromuv proj has been taken by the system. So here I will give the name as addition. Right. Then I'm going to save this. So this project, look at here. That addition microvision project has been created. Now next thing is that selection of the device. So you can select any device, but depending upon the hardware you have to select it. Suppose I want to go for the Atmel devices. Atmel wireless microcontroller, C microchip. It doesn't show in Atmel. It shows in microchip. So here is the family of microchip devices. So if you click on any controller, it gives the description. So on that, just we can write the programs up to 2 KB. So that's why select the proper controller so that there will not be any conflicts while doing the course, since it will not go for the out of memory, since we are using the evaluation version, not license version. The meeting will end at 10 minutes, no issue. We'll rejoin after 10 minutes. It will run. After that, we will take a break of 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And I will restart the meeting with the same details. Just previously we have selected this chip. So select this. Then use extension linker instead of DL50. Okay, that will be fine. And also I am going to use the extended assembler. So then, okay, chip has been selected. Device has been selected. Now, now the target is creating. Next step is create the new file. Then here I have to write that code of addition. So so this is written in assembly. Then you have to save it. So I'll put the name as addition dot asm file. So my assembly code is created. What program this do? It performs the addition of two numbers that is stored in the register A and register B. So whatever the content of the register A, that is 2, is loaded in. What should be the answer, predicted answer of this program? It is naturally 12, 6 to the 12. So see how this controller do. Now next step is that we have to copy the source file into target. So for that, source code. Where I think edit, I have forgotten this code. Anybody knows how to do here from here? Just put in the chat box if you know next step. What I have to do, I have to load this ASM file into source group 1. Yes, got it. So here add new item to source group 1. Now expectation. So it is a ASM file. Yeah, and new item to source group 1 ASM file. Here you have to put the name of that file. What is the text name? Addition.asm. Let's check whether it is added. A51 added. Actually, this can come here. So some mistake is that. Let's rectify it. Options for Facebook. So here property C51. Shailesh, do one thing. Just yesterday I have sent one video, YouTube video. Just play on that and see what is the exact step. Just I forgot how to add that source file, or I will play here. No issue. Watch